ma la ka tiang chai nyor ka dung din media ka changarau ka paikel ka ron kin dang rau de jandang rau de bakel an mag bangur gog be nong la ri la nong yen shang ka dung din media ka ti la rodien ka jinup ka na win mon ndo dien en wala ka changarau ka paikel dung din media be nong la mu direct mu specific mu ka Ezekiel lol gar kot ngai konde al Ezekiel lol gar kot one of controversial figure mo wunwara do kuma self care for long mumosino norway. So this message we kaje murai kanega kuilul gar course today is about this message. And the message the manana chagor men cha circulate call the social media outlet chikona jak and we read and to kona yalat chanakaling. So today bako message bako direct lul gar course that we said mite garami take a contact lul gar course you can share this with him so that Bajawana learn in a brief spelling. The reason why we are obliged to respond to him. She past time. I think today is that time. Kuba blap. Be na baga threat, be nuare baga threat, kind of location. Meet a event like what happened today. Kayoi. Lulgar quote come match. Paidok the time a cop we are do kanater. The first person that took mobilization go Jakan kwa genocide was him. Yarameda ne chana nenke picture, me ku jang, me ku mobilize, me chol nuari ke terrorists. We have all the documents. They are lulgar kot ke match after another. So today yara nyong benyal ke blapping, ke diat. Tilara jago jogo kume now it is a time for every measure to be taken. Go ba law ba book ba kuma ba de the winemi ba re lo ba de conquer we read the message in the alcorna chalat. The very important one lulgar kot you don't know the geography of law. O akubu te kujit ka ya te kujit the lawuror can you all take kujit you don't have an idea about it kujige mara ude lulgar kot kuyekor kera meta gwa menye na tin ga mach mala de ye wokor his background live. You don't know anything about core. You don't know anything about low geographical location. So Mr. Keno is blapping about a log. It lack substantiality. Could that very serious. Could that is anything that will happen to low. Because this level we are in today. Man kune ja wona ne ba correspond ba ko kamlol gar ko do as we say a second time gaje. So we know his position. Anti nuer muguru woden warda suffer. Lakin if he is trying ko wona ne there nuer convince yatana right gaje. Nobody will understand him, nobody will hear him. Ko the fact ko tara so dara malarje. Malarje ko wona ne it's a tribal war. It's a tribal dimension. Me large go commandant a self care get you be a cum could a percentage in opinion. Ramo for his own interest, right the malade is very far from who they accept and worry. So we know Lurga Kotiana Palawan. Today Milara go and a kume Baranyog mobilize, Chitada and a chem mobilize, ko bad me another cup, an hour book. Relo Comulane own and a low qui. We're in the book now is how many time in your book a log. I can log can deter. Can I spell my work and mobilization a law can deter to fight the war. Jaboko can continue the Boka Kobu, your book in your all your Boko Woro. And we know the consequence, the response, the results of those bombing. And again, I can log can deter. And if that is the only power in which Lol men plot kaje ko ne kume bare loka be destroy Kenya. No kel if we talk about one and power and we lo ko dong ba mobilize kume if we talk of manpower that's why we say lol kuyokor mon level of South Sudan today army mobilization of troops to fight it take a level again kuyi ko kuyi de kuyokor. So you know Sudan, today there is no army of 5,000. that you can mobilize a period of 5 days or 10 days, or you say of 2 months. Ko ba ko ba ter. Ko number 1 kumananda go jube. Che din 5,000 mun you work el che dem miet. Ko wona never assortment of militia, of tribal militia, they become organized in the name of government. They need food, they need money. So where is the money? Where is the food? So when you go and it was just a bluffing. This time, ran more you mobilize Dinka, one and yin, Kanuari, Kichut Kuba Fakir. You are backing. Chicken and we chill and talk. Like for example, me Ramurai Nijan, a yoga boroko yin law because of the government of Salpakir. So you will be enemy tomorrow. Because this time, the reason, being they are tired of Salpakir. They want solution by enemy. That individual like Lol, Ngani, Point here. They are nothing. Whatever they try to say, nobody will understand. Nobody will hear them. So, we don't know to the Alliance it was about the bluffing and then in Chala de Lolgarkot. Nam, target go a kobu nobody, Mukuji. Ibaranga, go a kobu the cupboard is on the table. And up to today, I'm a pen of Kabuje, not because the child go to backup, it's because people about Kobu that are aware. They can go the end their cupboard, can have a gold cupboard, can they go to other cupboard. That there is no bluffing. Tell the art, ready. Tell the art that we said, Changla Lolago, a Kubut, and what will happen here. People of our Kubut are just laughing at him because Quiji, our Kubut, shall locate where. So, again, for his information, go tired and you can use again the kind, Meku Kumajan mobilize again the kind. And mobilization of today are very different. Code, speed, organization, manpower, and the right law, and the spell my own control. I'm retired, Gabang. Chibang a bit retired. Instead of him talking about law, about fire, and I'm carrying them of line and this coming day. A book Corben, 2-word bore, a woman barlel. And as we say, Lol, tell information about military situation, country. And we don't state now, bad mecha yai meja cup, bad mecha wad mecha cup. The active barrack, tin control garrisons of the SPLA, and SPDF, Kajong state interactive in the quarter. Take a win it. She low that we can tell him and quite wasn't Tomaka state of whatever was only pure men. It's a matter of time. They were run to war. So here can the other talk, continue with your and there is no way that people of low they get scared. I mean quit Dorian, quit core, me just talking. Human Lolgar. Taro can mass India lo content tin de negalad about low and in general update go and we are in our position today ko situation wode go ai tenena ka planning of the way forward they lock